weak legs, fading balance, constant fatigue. For too many people over 60, these aren't just minor annoyances, they're daily battles. They steal confidence, limit independence, and quietly convince you that decline is inevitable. But what if that belief is wrong? What if strength, vitality, and stability are not only possible but waiting to be reclaimed, starting with something as simple as the tea in your cup? Weak legs, fading balance, and constant fatigue are among the most common and troubling complaints I hear from patients over the age of 60. These changes are not only discouraging, they are dangerous because they increase the risk of falls, rob people of their independence, and slowly chip away at their confidence in everyday life. Far too often, older adults are told that nothing can be done, that weakness is simply part of aging. But that message is misleading. While aging does change the body, decline is not inevitable. The body can remain strong, mobile, and resilient well past 60, provided it receives the right support. And one of the simplest ways to begin that process does not involve another prescription, a complicated workout plan, or an expensive supplement. It can begin with something as ordinary as the tea you drink each day. I am Dr. Richard Coleman, and for more than 30 years, I have worked with older adults who want to protect their independence, their strength, and their ability to enjoy life on their own terms. In my clinical experience, the people who age most successfully are those who combine medical care with daily habits that strengthen the body in natural, sustainable ways. Today, I want to share with you 3 teas that can do exactly that. These are not exotic fads. They are backed by both modern research and long traditions of safe use. When consumed regularly, they can help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, restore muscle function, and provide steady energy. To understand why tea can play such a role, you need to know what is happening inside the body as it ages. After 60, a condition called sarcopenia becomes more common. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle tissue and strength. It is influenced by multiple factors: reduced physical activity, lower hormone levels, chronic inflammation, and impaired circulation. The result is that muscles shrink, fatigue more quickly, and recover more slowly. At the same time, joints often become stiffer, blood flow less efficient, and balance less stable. Traditional medicine often treats these issues separately: a pill for inflammation, a therapy for balance, a supplement for energy. But the reality is that these processes are interconnected, and supporting them together can produce better outcomes. This is where certain teas become so powerful. Plants contain bioactive compounds, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, adaptogens, that target multiple systems at once. Unlike a drug that focuses on a single pathway, these natural compounds provide broader support, easing inflammation, stimulating blood flow, protecting cells, and encouraging more efficient energy use. The first tea I want to discuss is ginger turmeric tea. Many people think of ginger and turmeric simply as spices in cooking, but when used together in tea, they create a therapeutic blend that addresses 2 of the main causes of leg weakness: inflammation and poor circulation. Let us begin with ginger. Ginger has been studied extensively for its effects on circulation and inflammation. It contains compounds called gingerols, which act as natural vasodilators. This means they help relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Improved blood flow ensures that muscles receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. In older adults, poor circulation is often the hidden cause of heavy legs, cramps, and fatigue. By stimulating better circulation, ginger helps to relieve that heaviness and gives muscles the resources they need to perform and recover. In my practice, patients who add ginger tea to their daily routine often report that their legs feel less sluggish and that they have more endurance for walking. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory agents known. Inflammation is both a symptom and a driver of muscle weakness. It accelerates muscle breakdown, stiffens joints, and makes even light activity uncomfortable. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory enzymes and signaling molecules, calming this internal fire and giving muscles the chance to rebuild. Studies have shown that curcumin not only reduces joint pain but also improves muscle recovery and function when used consistently. The second tea is green tea. While many people know green tea as a gentle energy booster, Few realize how profoundly it affects muscle and cardiovascular health. Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly EGCG, which have been shown to improve mitochondrial function, reduce oxidative stress, and support fat metabolism. For older adults, this means more efficient energy production, less fatigue, and better endurance. Green tea also gently supports circulation, helping the heart and muscles work in harmony. Unlike stimulants that cause jitters or spikes, green tea provides smooth, sustained energy that supports daily activity without stressing the system. The third tea is Rooibos tea, a naturally caffeine-free option that is particularly beneficial for those with sleep disturbances or sensitive systems. Rooibos contains unique polyphenols, like aspalathin, which help reduce oxidative stress, support liver function, and calm inflammation. It also has gentle muscle-relaxing properties that can soothe nighttime cramps and restlessness. Many of my patients find that drinking a cup of Rooibos tea in the evening improves their sleep quality, reduces nighttime leg discomfort, and leaves them feeling more refreshed in the morning. When these teas are combined into a simple daily ritual, ginger turmeric in the morning, green tea midday, Rooibos in the evening, the results can be remarkable. Over time, they help restore circulation, reduce inflammation, support energy metabolism, and ease the discomfort that so often limits movement in later life. These are not quick fixes, but they are powerful, sustainable allies in maintaining strength and vitality after 60. At the Seniors Hub, we believe that aging doesn't have to mean surrendering your independence or vitality. Simple daily choices can shape your future more than you realize. Something as humble as tea can become a tool for resilience, a daily reminder that your body is capable of renewal at any age. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to our channel, The Seniors Hub, give it a thumbs up, and share it with someone who deserves to age strong, not weak. Your journey to renewed strength starts with one simple step, maybe even one simple sip.